Hi guys, what's going on? My name is Vino and welcome back to Vinos Corners. Yay! As always guys, please do me a massive favor. Hit the like button and smash that subscribe button to be updated on my videos. To all my recurring viewers guys, thank you so much for all the love and support that you guys have given me. It has been months that I have been away and I miss talking to all of you guys. I am so thrilled right now to be back. For those of you who did not know me, my name is Vino. I am a US licensed registered nurse, New Zealand licensed nurse, and Australian licensed nurse. And I wanted to share my stories. But before anything else, intro paso. Today, we are in the nursing corner of my life and I will tell you how to apply for Nclex. Disclaimer guys, everything I will say are based on my personal experience and I suggest that you guys do your own research. Do your own research.
No. One eternity later.
Antok na ako. Inaantok ako mag-vlog guys. Makapag-relax na muna. I had my initial license under NMI. Pag sinabi nating NMI, it means Northern Mariana Islands. So it is a US Commonwealth and also known as Saipan. Pag sabi natin US Commonwealth, it is not in the US mainland. I chose NMI kasi during that time, I believe na NMI is easy and yung mga requirements nila is madali lang. Hindi masyadong complicated. At the same time, it is an island, so I believe na konti lang yung nag-a-apply that time. First, fill out the application form for Nclex. Make sure you clearly specify na for registered nurses siya by ticking the box at the top of the form. If you guys wondering what the form look like, this is how it look like. You can download this form at NMI website. It is https://nmibon.info. And download the document 2223 at licensure documents. So that licensure documents, you will see that at the top of the website. Also guys, make sure that you notarize this document together with your 2x2 picture. So your 2x2 picture should have your signature on it. So back in New Zealand, ang ginawa ko is I went to a notary public and then pinanotarize ko yung document ko. Always remember guys na magkaiba yung justice of peace and notary public. So you go to notary public, not justice of peace. Also, submit a certified and true copy of your birth certificate. Submit a certified true copy of your marriage contract or marriage certificate. If your name changed due to marriage or if you got divorced, submit a divorce decree showing name change. After mo maasikaso ang application form mo, request for a high school and college TOR and send your certificate of RLE sa School of Nursing mo. Fill up mo lang yung form depende sa school mo and ask your school to send the RLE form, your TOR, and also go to your high school and then ask for your TOR as well. Then, after mo ma-request yung mga TOR requirements mo from your college and high school, tell them to send it directly to NMI. So, dapat sila mismo ang magpapadala nito sa NMI, hindi pwedeng ikaw. Make sure that the official college TOR must specify pharmacology course, or if it is integrated to other courses, make sure na naka-identify siya separately. Guys, if you are a graduate more than 10 years ago,
no.
Joke. Kailangan mo lang mag-submit ng ang sarap naman ito. Kailangan mo lang mag-submit ng certificate of employment mo na from your workplace, and also dapat authenticated siya. So dapat meron siyang stamp ng employer mo, or meron siyang seal kung saan ka nagtatrabaho, or naka-specify dapat dun din kung anong area or anong field of nursing ka nag-work. So for example, neurology or dialysis or OR. Applicant graduated BSN after 5 years, meron silang required courses din na they'll ask you to take, and I think it's just $30 per course. And you just go to the NCSBN website and search for the courses. So I think it's I'll do a research on that. I forgot.
One eternity later.
Then ang pinaka-last is submit a non-refundable fee of $150. Accepted mode of payment only is money check, US bank draft, and it should be address or made payable to NMI Board of Nursing or NMI BON. Yan ang pinakamahirap guys, kasi $150 yan, so it's not easy to earn. So guys, make sure you're gonna pass your exam. Make sure you're gonna pass your Nclex. After completing all the requirements, send it to NMI address. Go to their website for the address, kasi sometimes they can change yung address nila kasi nga maliit lang yung office nila, maliit din yung island nila, so they usually change their addresses. So go to their website for the address. Another tips guys, never ever forget to put a tracking number on all your documents when you submit it to NMI, kasi paper-based ang NMI, so you don't know, pwedeng mawala yan or pwedeng hindi nila matanggap. So make sure you put a tracking number on that one. The last one, wait for 1 to 3 months and then boom, you will have your eligibility to take Nclex. So you guys, I wish you all the best on your Nclex journey, and I hope you guys learned something from my vlog today, and I tried to make it simple and easy to understand. Again, as thank you, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment on what topic you want me to discuss. Again, this is your guy Vito, and welcome to Vinos Corners. Keep on watching guys. See you next time. Bye bye.